This is the DMI folding shopping cart in black. So the box came in with another box, so it's not, they wrapped it up with another box so it's protected. So that's the main box. It tells you, gives you information on the shopping cart, of course. And as soon as you open it up, this is your contents. You get a manual with the components list, but it got a little confusing, so I'm gonna show you quickly what we did. So the parts are there, there's extras, you can follow the assembly instructions. It's pretty easy. So you need to make sure you check the parts, the components as well. So you got the new cutter, the spring cutter, the washer, the large spring, the tube cap, there's a friction cap, a front wheel, the rear axle, the front axle, and the pre-assembled frame. So basically, on the instructions, there's pictures but you can just do your, it's easy steps. You can just make sure that you have the washer, so this is, we're installing we just installed the front axle, so we're doing the back axle. The back axle is the one with the small wheels. Pretty easy actually, if you look into it. You can use this, to have an easy carry out of your groceries or whatever. It can hold up to 90 pounds, supposed to be. So very, very quick assembly. Set up, because the cart is already assembled. It's just the part of putting up the wheels. It could be overwhelming at the very first. You have to do over if you need to, but basically it's an easy assembly. Again, there's a manual that you can use. Just make sure you have a plier, because you will need it just to tighten stuff or to pull out, if you make a mistake with the spring cutter. That's the only part that you need that plier for. See that one? It took a little bit. You can assemble it all by yourself, or you can have someone help you out just to hold stuff together, or in this case just to push it in, so you can, because placing that wire, like the cutter, is a bit off, but that's it. And this is the finished assembly. You can fold it like that if you want. It's easy to fold, and it is sturdy, and it should be a big help for groceries.